Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 8 English grammar 5th chapter, and that is the correct use of determiners. A determiner is a word that determines or limits the noun that follow, like a book, two girls, any book, an import, a few difficulties and so on. A determiner is a kind of adjective, but there is one important difference. With a few exceptions, determiners don't have the 3 degrees comparison as adjective. We can put determiners into 5 groups. First, possessive. In possessive, we use my, our, your, his, her, its, theirs and so on. Second, demonstrative. This, that, these, those, such, some, any, the other, certain and so on. Third, quantitative. In quantitative, we use much, little, no, some, any, enough, sufficient, whole of, half of and so on. Fourth, numeral. In numeral, determiners are categorized into 2 categories. First, definite, second, indefinite. In definite, we use 1, 2, 3, first, second and third, fourth and so on. But in definite, we use all, some, no, many, few and several. Last one is articles. In articles, we use a and the. Now, here is the exercise 5.1. In exercise 5.1, first question is fill in the blanks with some or any. We use some or any. Both these words refer to the number as well as quantity. Some is used in affirmative sentence and question when the speaker accepts an affirmative answer. But any is used in negative sentence and question when the speaker accepts a negative answer. But affirmative sentence having the following words like prevent verb without preposition, hardly, scarcely of adverb, phrases having the sense of no matter which, and phrases or clause of condition. These all are the condition refers to the affirmative sentence. Now first one is they haven't dash children, and the correct answer is any. We use any because it refers a negative sentence. Second, please buy me dash stamps, and the correct answer is some because it refers a affirmative sentence. Third, I shall be away for dash time, and the answer is some. Fourth, any man can do it, he tries. Fifth, if it is of dash use, I will buy it, and the answer is any. 6 was too tired to do dash work, and the answer is any. 7 I have read that story in dash book, and the correct answer is some. 8 there is not dash oil in the lamp, and the answer is any. 9 I must have this book at dash rate, and the correct answer is any. 10 will you please give me dash milk, and the answer is some. My dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself, and do this question in your book only. Now exercise 5.2. Fill in the blanks with few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Few is the determiner of number. Little is the determiner of quantity. But the difference meaning and the use of few, a few and the few are few, it is a negative determiner. It is used in the sense of not many. A few is an affirmative determiner. It is used in the sense of some at least. The few, it makes one negative statement. The other affirmative, it means the whole of a particular number. Now, the use of little. There is a similar difference in the meaning and the use of little, a little and the little. Little, it is a negative determiner. It is used in the sense of not much. A little is an affirmative determiner. It is used in the sense of some at least. The little, it makes one negative statement, and the other affirmative, it makes the whole of a particular quantity. Now, here is the exercise. First, I need dash days rest, and the correct answer is a few. We use a few because it is used in the sense of some at least. Second, he lent me dash book, and the answer is a few. Third, Go and bring me dash milk. And the correct answer is a little. Fourth, he had only dash rupees left. And the correct answer is a few. Fifth, I have read dash books I had. And the answer is the few. We use the few because it means the whole of a particular number. It represents the whole of particular number. 6. Bring me dash water to drink. And the correct answer is a little. We use a little in the sense of some at least. Next one is I am going away dash days. And the correct answer is a few. 8. Dash human can keep a secret. And the answer is few. We use few because it refers a sense of not many. Next one is please put dash sugar in my tea. And the correct answer is a little. 10. He is full and has dash sense. And the correct answer is little. My dear students, rest of the question you have to do yourself in your book. Now, exercise 5.3. Fill in the blanks with much, many, a fewer or less. My dear student, much, many, a fewer, less. In this determiners, much and less are determiners of quantity. Many and fewer are determiners of numbers. Much is used with uncountables and many is used in plural countables nouns. Now, here is the fill in the blanks. First one is I have read dash novel and the correct answer is many. We use many because it refers a plural countable nouns. Second, I don't need dash money and the answer is much. Third, I have seen her dash a time and the correct answer is many. Next one is Rupali knows dash language and the correct answer is many. Fifth, there is not dash oil in the lamp and the correct answer is much. We use much because oil is an uncountable noun. 6. You must take dash meals a day and the answer is fewer. Fewer is used as the comparative of few. It denotes the number. Next one is dash people came to see the fair and the answer is many. 8. There is not dash sugar in the cup and the answer is much. 9. These books are not of dash value and the answer is much. 10. We didn't have to face dash trouble and the correct answer is much. Next one is don't spend too dash time on games and the correct answer is much. Next, there is dash a slip between cup and lip and the answer is many are. Next one is many are is used for take a singular noun and a singular verb. Next one is there are not dash school in this town and the answer is many. 14. Dash boy has failed in the examination and the answer is many are. 15. I have found dash mistake in your essay and the correct answer is many. My dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself and do this question in your book. Now, exercise 5.4. In this exercise, we recorrect the affirmative sentence. First one is rewrite each sentence in the affirmative sentence. First one is you haven't done much and the correct answer is you have done a lot. Second, we hadn't gone very far and the correct answer is we had gone a long way. Third, she didn't help me much. She helped me a great deal. Fourth, he has not many children and the answer is he has a lot of children. Fifth, they haven't many friends and the correct answer is they have a lot of friends. The village wasn't very far off and the answer is the village was a long way off. 7. He hasn't got much work to do and the answer is he has got a great deal of work to do. 8. Mr. Rajan hasn't got much money and the answer is Mr. Rajan has got a lot of money. 9. There is not much coffee in the kettle? And the answer is there is lot of coffee in the kettle. Next one is this boy has not made much progress. This boy has made a lot of progress. 11. I have not heard much about his action. I have heard a lot about his action. My dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself and do this question in your notebook. My dear student, that's all about this chapter. In this chapter, we recite about the use of determiners and their groups and the use of the numeral indefinite and indefinite determiners. I hope you all learned very well. Thank you.